Hey everyone, so I just want to come and do a quick video about, does it really matter what hair products you use? I know a lot of people, they wonder about this and will this product make my hair grow? Will this product do this for my hair? Will this product do that for my hair? But the truth is that I believe it's more, this is my personal opinion, but I think it's more dependent on your regimen and what you actually do to your hair day by day, week by week, month by month. You guys know I love to do product reviews. I am a product junkie, so I love hair products, I love hair gadgets, anything related to that, and I love to do reviews. When it comes to the question of like drugstore brand versus maybe like higher brand that are like, you know, a lot of money, like over, in my opinion, it really just doesn't matter. Like, I could honestly go to Dollar Tree and get my shampoo, my conditioner, whatever I need to get, and probably still get the same results that I get if I were to go and buy an $80 product. I know some people are not going to agree with this because, I mean, there is some truth that the better the quality, you know, of the product and the ingredients, the more it's going to help your hair, help build strength, moisture, all of that good stuff. So at the end of the day, your hair is going to grow from your head. Like, no product can, this is just my opinion, no product can make your hair grow. Your hair grows naturally, like your nails grow naturally. Now, it can aid your hair once your hair is out of your scalp. It can help to moisturize it, to build strength, to, I don't know, help the hair look thicker, But your hair naturally just grows from your head. The same way, you know, your nails grow from your fingertip. Now, there are some drugstore hair products that I really love. Like, I love drugstore hair products because they're easy to find. You don't have to order them off the internet if you don't want to. They're usually reasonably priced, like under like $10. And some of the brands that I really like, they're just go-to brands. Creme of Nature, of course, Organic Root Stimulator, some of Cantu's products, and the Pantene and the Gold bottle. I think it's called Gold Series. Like, I think Pantene Gold Series does not get enough hype as it should, because those every product in that line that I've tried is extremely moisturizing. So if you have trouble with dry scalp, dry hair, anything like that, the Pantene Gold Series is a great line. Creme of Nature is a great line, and ORS is a great line. So now that I've got that out the way, I do think hair products are important, but I don't think it really matters as far as your hair growth. As far as your hair health and strength and moisturization, yes, certain products do cater to that. And now, as I was saying earlier about the regimen, you might be like, so what regimen do I need to do? Do I need to follow? That's something you personally have to do and figure out on your own. But I will tell you mine, and mine is super simple. Super simple. Once a week, I wash my hair. I shampoo my hair. Sometimes I may or may not condition my hair. I'm just being honest. Like, it's a 50-50 chance that I may or may not condition my hair. If I don't deep condition my hair, I'm always going to make sure to use a leave-in conditioner. I love my liquid leave-in conditioner from Creme of Nature, and I also make sure to use a creamy or a thicker leave-in conditioner or a hair moisturizer on top of that. So I shampoo once a week, condition or not, depending on how I feel. Make sure to use a leave-in conditioner. Then next after that is blow dry. I always blow dry my hair. Like, I'll usually let it air dry. To about 50 to 80% dry, and then I'll blow dry it from there. But I always blow dry my hair because it just helps me with tangles and knotting and makes my hair look a little more neater, if that makes any sense. So then I blow dry my hair. I make sure to use a heat protectant. I always use a heat protectant. And then after that is the question of whether I want to do a protective style or if I want to flat iron my hair and wear it down. If I flat iron my hair, I do not add additional heat protectant because it's just going to weigh it down. I've already added all the products I wanted before I blow dried it, and that's it. So after that, if I want to flat iron my hair, I'll flat iron my hair, wrap it at night, and be done with it. Or if I want to do a protective hairstyle, I'll use whatever products that I need to use and put my hair up into a protective hairstyle and then just wrap it up every night. That's basically my regimen. I trim as needed. I'm going to start trying to trim a little more frequently because I notice if you go too long without trimming your hair, that you'll need to cut off more in the end. So if you just keep it like at a manageable level, then it won't be so much to cut off in the end. But I trim as needed. And last but not least, I do relax my hair every 4 to 6 weeks. I know a lot of people ask me that question, and that's the answer, basically. So a lot of people ask why I relax that frequently, and it's basically because it just helps me personally maintain my hair. I get knots really bad. I know it sounds crazy, but I get headaches if I go too long without relaxing my hair, and my hair will itch. My scalp will itch nonstop, and it's just hard for me to manage without having breakage, basically. So to me, that's just a threshold for me. It's not for everybody. I'm not suggesting it for anybody. Out of that question, I get that question the absolute most. So I know I'm supposed to be doing some videos that you guys have requested about some of the products that you guys have requested. Make sure to leave those down below because sometimes I lose those comments. I know some of y'all be liking me to try certain products that y'all like or that y'all have not tried before and you want to know my opinion on it. Just leave that down below in the comment box and I will try to get to it as quickly as I can because I'm going to try to start doing more drugstore reviews. Like you can go to Walmart and go to the drugstore, just get these off the shelf really quickly and use them on your hair. And also let me know what you guys' hair regimen is. How often do you wash, condition, relax, or if you're natural, how often do you do your natural routine or whatever kind of routine you have? Let me know down below, or whatever your favorite products are, let me know down below. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.